Okay, next trick. Another very important one. If when I make those new flashcards that I was talking about, this is actually a flashcard. 100101 is the same thing as 371337. Okay. Now 10101 is an easy number to multiply by because if you're going to do 10101 times like 7, that's easy. It'll just be 70707. And if you did 10101 times say 17, then it'll just be 17, 17, 17. So it's real easy to multiply by 10101. Okay? All right. So here's what you're going to do. They're going to do a problem like this, and he does this a lot. All right? He's going to say 3 times 7 times some weird number times what makes 60606. Okay? Well, if we think about it, 60606 is the same as 6 times 10101, right? And we know 10101 is 3 times 7 times 13 times 37. Okay? So what are we looking at now? We're looking at 6 times all this, right? So that's what we have to do in our head. We have to say that's 6 times 3, 7, 13, 37. Then you want to look over here and you want to start knocking those things off. So there's the 3, there's the 7. This is 2 times 37. Yeah? Okay, so what did I just knock off? I knocked off the 3, I knocked off the 7, I knocked off the 37, and I knocked off a 2 from the 6, right? I'm going to put the 6 here. So that becomes a 3 because I knocked off the 2. Yeah? So what's left? Well, what's left is the 13 and the 3, so 39. And it's kind of hard to do because you have to be able to visualize all that in your head. All right? So one more time, let me do this again. So I'm going to think of this as 8 times 10101, right? And that's 3 times 13, or 3, 7, 13, 37 times 8, right? So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for 8s, 3, 7, 13, 37, right? All right. Well, 37 times 3, you should know that one. 37 times 3 is 101, right? Or sorry, 111. So 37 times 3 is 111. So look inside there. That's 2 times 111, right? So you can mark off the 111 with the 3 and the 37. You can mark off the 7 and the 13 with the 7 and the 13, right? What's left? 8. But I still have a 2 here, so I got to knock off the 2. So the 2 with the 8 makes 4, so you're left with just a 4. Okay? It's tricky. What you have to do is you have to remember 3, 7, 13, 37 is 10101. Okay? All right, so let's see if somebody can do this for me. I'm going to have somebody try it.